Jewelry is such a fun way to liven up your wardrobe. That could be a boring outfit, and then you just add that jewelry and it just makes it so much better and complete. So I'm excited today to share with you 4 new pieces of jewelry that I have received from Read Your Heart. So I have another video review on some jewelry from Read Your Heart. I can link it in the description box below for you guys if you want to see the other pieces that I've gotten from this brand. But this is a really great brand that specializes in moissanite. So I have 4 pieces that I want to share with you today, give you a little review, show you how they wear, and just give you some information about this company as well. So I do want to thank Read Your Heart for sending me these items to review for you guys. So let's get started with all of these great pieces from Read Your Heart. So I'm first going to tell you a little bit about this company. Again, like I stated earlier, they do specialize in moissanite pieces. But the founder of this company actually lost her engagement ring on a trip. And so she saw another person's engagement ring that was made out of moissanite. And so she fell in love with that and wanted to create some jewelry that was more affordable than a diamond. So if you're somebody that is needing to replace an engagement ring or a wedding band because it broke and you don't want to invest in that diamond piece again, moissanite is the way to go because it is almost as hard as a diamond. It's 9.5 on the hardness scale and a diamond is a 10, but it has more brilliance and fire than a diamond, so it sparkles just like a diamond. It is actually one of the more rare gemstones, so this company, Read Your Heart, has actually created these in the lab, so you are not having to mine for this gemstones. So they are lab created, makes it a little bit more cruelty free, and it's mining free, and it also has that really nice brilliance. So because it's able to be lab created, the price goes down for that, but it is still a great quality. The slogan of this company is Read Your Heart, Record Your Memories. They use non-toxic materials and they are very eco-friendly. I also wanted to tell you guys, because I know that a lot of people will have allergies to certain kind of materials. All of this jewelry is lead-free, cadmium-free, nickel-free, and allergy-free. And they use a mirror polishing technology on all of their jewelry, and all of their jewelry is handcrafted. And they've also graciously given me a coupon code to share with you guys for 15% off their website. And it is Perkins15. I will put it on the screen for you guys, and also it will be in the description box, as well as their website and links to all 4 of these products that I'm going to be sharing with you today. That will all be down in the description box. I know you're dying to see the pieces that I actually have, but before we get started, I do want to show you one more thing. So it does come packaged with the bubble wrap packaging. Each one of them were individually packaged in that. And then it also comes with this gift bag. So all 4 pieces could fit in this gift bag if you did want to present this as a gift to someone. And right now is a great time to get those Christmas gifts or any of those holiday gifts that you might want to give to people. But definitely this is a great way to present it, is this gift bag in this beautiful Tiffany blue color. And then it also comes with a cleaning cloth in that same color. And then it comes with this small little introduction that gives you a little bit of information about the backstory of how this brand was created and how they actually make their lab created moissanite. And then it also gives you the comparison between a diamond and a moissanite, what the difference is. It also tells you about their return and exchange policy as well. And so like I stated, it does come in the bubble wrap, individually wrapped. Then it also comes with the cardboard that slides over top of this to keep it extra protected, but I went ahead and took that off as well because I wanted you to see this beautiful packaging. So I can't remember what I picked up first, but you can see this little cushion here. So it's got that nice padded top in this beautiful Tiffany blue packaging. So it's a really nice presentation, very good quality box that it comes in. And then each piece is also individually put in plastic as well. This is great to keep it and store it if you want to store it in this, keeping it separately instead of storing it in the box, but it's a really nice presentation if you want to present somebody with this in the box. It's a very beautiful box. So the first thing that I'm going to show you are these earrings. So let me get them out of the plastic package so you can see them a little bit better. So these are some beautiful earrings. They have this split hoop style and they are in the moissanite. They are the moissanite split hoop Pave earrings in sterling silver. So they are 925 sterling silver, and they do have a rhodium plating. So really good about keeping them to not tarnish. So you can see that you have the moissanite on the front part in this double hoop, and then on the back you do have that really nice sterling silver. It is a latch back. So let me put these on so you can see them on. Okay, so here they are, and they are so gorgeous on. So you can see that double hoop design, and these sparkle so nicely. if you can see that. So these do actually, I think, come in gold and silver as well. These retail for $89.95, but they are absolutely stunning. I mean, they just sparkle so nicely. You can just see that close up there. So beautifully crafted. So the Moissanite actually has a unique ID as it's laser inscripted on the Moissanite's girdle. But you can see the sparkle of this from every angle. I don't know if the ring light is actually allowing you to see the sparkle. It's absolutely a brilliant sparkle detail, and you can see it like no matter how you turn, you can see that brilliance. So these are just so beautiful, you guys. I mean, classy. You can dress these up. So if you have a special occasion that you're trying to go to, you could wear these and it would be so nice as a dressy occasion. But these can always be worn daily too. I mean, they're absolutely stunning. They're a great price for the quality that you're getting. You're getting this lab created moissanite that looks like a diamond, but it has more brilliance and fire than a diamond does. Absolutely stunning. This double hoop is so beautiful. So the next thing is a bracelet. And this is so nice. The packaging is so nice on that. It's even got the Read Your Heart embossed inside. It's like a velvet material on the inside. I mean, this is just beautiful packaging. So here is the bracelet. Let me see if I can get that up close so you can see. It is silver, and then the hearts alternate between silver and a blue color. Let me turn the light off and see if you can see this a little bit better. So let me let you see. So you have the blue heart, then you have a round moissanite, and then you have a silver heart around moissanite, and it just alternates throughout that. So this is a sterling silver bracelet. I'm gonna put this on, but I wanted to show you this up close because this is actually called the Ocean Heart Sterling Silver Bracelet. So, I mean, the color of this heart looks like the ocean water. So I wanted to put the light back on because I think you'll be able to see it a little bit better when it's on with the light, but I wanted to make sure you could see this beautiful blue color. It does retail for $55.95. It is $9.25 sterling silver combined with these blue heart cut stones. The length of this, it says, is 16 centimeters and is adjustable another 4 centimeters past that. So let me put this on so you can see what it looks like on. So here it is on. Let me show you that up close of this again. This is a brilliant blue, but it's coming off as more silver. So this, it has a little lobster clasp, and you can see that there's that much of an adjustment on this one. Now, I normally wear probably about a 7.5 or 7 3/4 bracelet. I think that fits me most comfortable. And as you can see, I almost have it all the way to the end. There's not much more adjustment you can do from that. So just to kind of give you an idea of the inches, because I did say it was 16 centimeters with an additional 4 centimeters that you could adjust it, but just kind of wanted to show you that in inches, and then you can see how much room I can stick my finger in there. So I do have quite a bit of room. I like for it to be a little bit roomy on my wrist, but it's going to be adjustable for several different wrist sizes. But this is so pretty, you guys. So I just randomly picked these up, so I'm not sure which one I have next, but again, I just love this packaging. It is so beautiful. So this is a necklace. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. So let me take it out of the plastic and show it to you in the box. So here it is. It's called the Honeycomb Moissanite sterling silver necklace, and if you can see, it has the moissanite and it alternates silver and moissanite. This also comes in a golden color as well. So if you prefer the yellow gold color instead of the white gold color, then you can choose the golden one instead of the silver. You can see how it alternates between that moissanite. I'm trying to give you some really good up close pictures of this. Really pretty how it has the circle, that honeycomb look, and it alternates between the silver and the moissanite. Again, it's sparkling really nicely. This retails for $78.85, made out of the 925 silver. And let me put this on so you can see this. Again, everything is lead-free, nickel-free, allergy-free, cadmium-free. Now you can see this adjustment. So you could adjust it as short as it gets right here, and then it has this additional length. So it's a 16-inch if you were to adjust it here, and then it goes all the way up to an 18-inch. So I'm gonna kind of go right in the middle. That's where I like to go, about a 17-inch. This stone cut grade of this one is very good. That's what I was stating, that most all of the jewelry is very good quality. Here you go. And everything is made by hand. So let me show you the up close of this one. So you could layer with this if you wanted to. So let me just kind of show you the up close. And then let me show you how it looks behind here. I mean, it's really shining. It's such a brilliant piece. I'm gonna try to maybe show you some up close pictures, maybe in the corner a little bit, so you can see a little bit of detail about this, because I'm not sure if the ring light is doing good or not. So that's why I'm kind of turning it off and on so you can see the brilliance of this. But in natural light, it's very beautiful. All these pieces together work so nicely. This is just a great everyday piece that you can wear. And then lastly, I have this piece, and it's another necklace. And it's in this beautiful heart. So let me take the plastic off of this one. This is shining so nicely. So this is an overstated heart, has the open heart detail. So pretty. See that sparkle, you guys? It again is on sterling silver. It's $9.25. All of this is $9.25 sterling silver, but the earrings are actually rhodium plated. So this one again is supposed to be a 16-inch adjustable to an 18-inch. Guys, this is really sparkling. I hope that you're being able to see this sparkle. So nice. So this is the Moissanite Love Heart sterling silver necklace. And let me take the other one off and put this one on for you guys. So before I put this on, I want to share this piece of information with you. So this is in a stay put area. So the heart itself has the chain attached, so the chain doesn't go through it to where it's sliding back and forth. So this is going to stay put wherever it is. So it's not going to be one that's you're going to have to worry about midway through the day if it comes up here. So I did want to just kind of point that out as well before I put this on for you guys. So here it is on, and look how gorgeous that is. It's sparkling so much. So you've got this dainty chain. So it kind of just looks like you have a heart floating on your neckline. Very beautiful. This Moissanite is so brilliant, you guys. This is so pretty. Now this one retails for $76.95. So this is a great deal on this one as well. And especially if you use that coupon code to get even more off. Really a beautiful necklace. It's just so pretty. Again, it's a piece that you can use daily if you want to, or you can really dress this one up as well. So this is the Love Heart sterling silver necklace. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I love jewelry so much. I just think it brightens up your outfit and just adds that extra element to just polish it and finish it off. And Read Your Heart has some really beautiful jewelry. So if you're looking for an engagement ring that's not gonna break the bank, you could use the money that you would spend on a diamond versus moissanite and go on a honeymoon or a down payment on a house and get a really beautiful ring that looks exactly like the real diamond look. You're also not gonna have to worry about the moissanite chipping as much. This is just really good quality made jewelry, and it's all handcrafted, lab created moissanite, cruelty free, mining free, allergy free, nickel free. You're not gonna have to worry about anything. If you do have allergies to any kind of jewelry, then you're gonna be safe with this brand. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.